Hey YouTube, what's going on? It's Amy again with the Bargain Mama, and here I am. I've moved from the front of my car into the back of my car because I'm not going to try to load all this out to the front of my car to do a haul and then load it into my house. So this is a Dollar Tree haul of all new items to me. Maybe not to you. I'm not going to do repeats of stuff I've bought before because that's boring. Who wants to keep seeing that I buy the drinks and snacks and stuff over and over? There are some snacks that I have not had before, and because I have so much food that I have bought this time that I've never bought, my kids and I are going to do like a taste test thing with me, and I've never done that, and I don't like eating on camera, but there was a lot of new foods, but there was a lot of everything. So this is just, I wish you guys could see my car right now. Like right now there's just so much stuff. I have all this stuff from when I did like 11 thing walkthrough before my vacation. Haven't hauled any of it, so let's get started, guys. I'm so excited about this, and I think this is way old. First of all, let's look at the packaging. It's old. It was the only thing on there, and it's all broken up. But this is decorative string lights. Requires 2 AA 1.5 batteries not included. It's 3 feet total length. They're little, and yes, I could make it, but for $1, they can make it for me. So they're little cup lights. How cute are those? Those are very cute. The next thing I got is a food item. So these are sugar-free butter cookies. So if you watched my video where we did the banana pudding, the Paula Deen one, I want to see, those things were expensive, those butter cookies. And obviously that's really, really full of sugar. So I just want to see how these taste, because those cookies were really good, but I'm not spending like $5 on a package of cookies. So these are Miss Pure's sugar-free butter cookies. So, and they are 7 ounces. So we're going to try those, see if they're as good. Whew. All right, guys, this is a dish drying mat, 12 inches by 18 inches, watermelon and lemon, because you guys know I'm doing my kitchen in lemon. So I got that. It's just a dish drying mat. And then, of course, this had to come with it because this is a serving tray that obviously has like the lemons and stuff on it. So I had to get that. I'm trying to figure out where the heck I'm going to put it. So I did pick up pool noodles. I know everybody's calling pool noodles. We have a pool. I'm not using these for pool noodles. I'm using these to cut up. And I'm going to cut each one. I think I'm going to sneeze. Excuse me. I am sorry. I'm using these. I'm going to cut up each one of these into each letter of the alphabet, so that this one will be capital letters and this one will be lowercase letters, so then my patients can learn their alphabet. Also, I'm going to get like a string, and we're going to build words. So yeah, so these are going to be my alphabet blocks. Sometimes my patients get a little bit rough and they will throw things, so I figured these are going to hurt a lot less than some of the things that get thrown at me. But anyways, I just thought that was a good idea. I saw this on Pinterest, so I'm going to just cut these up into alphabet letters. Just throw those in the back seat there because I have nowhere else to put things. Oh, empty bag under my butt. Sorry, guys. Here is another thing. I thought this was so flipping cute. I've seen this cut, like people DIY these into like a boat or something. I have no intentions on doing that. I am just going to leave it like this and put some fruits and stuff on it around my pool. So that's that. I really want to get this into my front door. So this is just a very beautiful, I think, doormat kind of thing. So it's actually just like a fabric remnant thing, but it is sturdy. Like, I'm trying to look. So it is sturdy. It's not like they're normal. Like, I mean, it's definitely a good one for outside. So this is going to go in front of my door. I don't know how big it is, but it's big, and I like the colors. So I'm just piling it on my legs. I don't know where to put stuff anymore. Ouch. I did pick these up. These are 5 packs of the 0.5 ounces each of just the Home Style Select individually wrapped potato chips. These are also good around my pool because if we want, sometimes I'll bring out like a bucket of snacks so that people don't have to keep going into my house and getting my floor wet. And if you bring out a full bag of chips, people don't care if they stick their wet, soggy hands into the chips and then water dumps everywhere and then you have soggy chips. So these are good just to be like, you have your own bag of soggy chips. So I picked those up for around the pool. I did pick me up some Advil PM 4 coated caplets, 2 count packs. Just been having a little bit of a hard time sleeping, so I picked those up. Nothing, special about that. And then I did find, actually I have to tell you, I forgot I got those. the Hunt's tomato sauce, 20 ounces of ketchup. You guys, for $1, I will pick this up any day. My family, I think they put a straw in here and eat the ketchup. That's got to be what they do, because there's no way we go through that much ketchup. So it was a really good deal. This is Fashion Glitter, and it says for fabric, permanent, and washable. And it comes with little sponges. It's 3 pieces, and this thing itself is 1 fluid ounce. It's by Tulip, so I guess you just like put it, it says pre-wash fabric, insert Tulip t-shirt form, if, okay, how do you do it? It says, okay, so you put stencils on there or do whatever you want, and then you dab it with the Fashion Glitter glue. So that's really cute. So I got one of those to try. The reason I have a hat on is because I need to use this and I have not yet. So I have gotten this at the Dollar Tree before. I was amazed that it actually worked. So this is just the Color Easy medium auburn for my hair, because it's a hot mess right now, guys. So this was supposed to be for my trip, and I had to buy more once I got there, so I don't know what I'll do with them, but there's something I can do. These are 10 pieces of the plastic condiment cups with lids. I was going to make Jell-O shots for our trip, but I forgot them, and I bought 2 packages. But I can put Jell-O in these for individual cups out by my pool too, like along with, I can put these, oh, you know what I can do? I can put like red and yellow and green Jell-Os in here and then put them on my watermelon tray and just kind of bring it out so it all kind of matches or whatever, and then everyone can have little individual cups of Jell-O. That's cute, and maybe put some whipped cream on top of it. So that might be what I do. I did pick up these. I absolutely love these. Sorry guys, I'm a mess and this is stuck. Okay, so these are the SureFresh, and I love these little containers. This one is a square one, and then I did get the rectangle one. And they are 1.5 cups, 9.5 fluid ounces. And there's 3 in here for $1, and they are not a thin Tupperware. Like, that is a thick Tupperware, you guys. This one is 1.1 cups, 8.5 fluid ounces. So if you look right here, it says it's a bonus 3, and there's normally 2. These were sitting right next to the ones that had 2. And so I was like, if you just grabbed real quick, you might think, oh, the 2 ones are better. They were exactly the same. So I did pick up these 2. Again, they're just little things for on the go. On the go. I'm going to put some of this back in here. So that's, yeah. Sorry, guys. Talk amongst yourselves. Okay. Guys, how cute are these? I found these at one of my stores, and they are the little 4th of July garden gnomes. They are so cute. I love them. I don't know if it'll let me do a Facebook. I'm at Facebook. Whatever, I picture. Oh well, we'll see. But this one says America, and this one is just the little guy and holding the heart, and they are very easy to detach from the back if you do not want to put these in your yards because you're afraid somebody's going to steal them out of your yard because they're hard to find. So, or put them in a plant inside, or put them in anything. That's so cute. So I did pick up those 2, $1 each, guys. Oh yeah, very cute. So if you watched one of my other hauls, I don't even want to say yesterday's because I don't know how they're going to come up. I had found the peaches and cream Premier Protein, but now I have found the strawberries and cream Premier Protein, and these are a lot because I buy them in chocolate all the time, and these are expensive, and I drink them, my husband drinks them, my oldest son drinks them. So for $1 I picked up a lot, I think like 10 or 20. But again, I've never had these or the other ones, and so all of these are going to be involved in our taste testing thing. I finally found it. The Betty Crocker Yukon Gold Casserole, and it includes the bread crumb topping, 5.2 ounces. And this is amazing. I plan on doing this and putting in some ham and some cheese and making kind of like a scallop potatoes. I mean, it's a quick, easy meal for your family. So I got that. Found the Betty Crocker Pumpkin Spice Cookie Mix Limited Edition. My husband hates pumpkin. Guys, I love me some pumpkin. So here is the pumpkin spice cookie mix, and it is a huge one. It's 17.5 ounces. It says it makes, which is not the right statement. And yeah, of course you put cream cheese frosting on top of them. But how many cookies does it say? It says 18 servings per pouch. They're not going to make 18 cookies, but how cute is that? So that is that. So I'm so excited. All right, guys, so I'm going to start again in another video. I'll be right back. Bye.